In this video, I will show you 3 different ways to use Chat GPT-4 for free. Hello friends and welcome back to A to Z AI. Chat 4 is the latest version of the GPT series, which is not free and you have to pay $20 per month to use it, but if you want to test or use GPT-4 for free then you can use these 3 methods. Method number 1 is a bit tricky, but at least through this you can enjoy Chat GPT for free. You have to visit poe.com. The link is in the video description. Here you can log in with your phone number, Gmail or Apple ID. In my case I use my Gmail ID to log in here. You will see multiple generative AI-powered chatbots, just like Sage, Chat GPT-4, Claude Plus which is GPT-4's competitor Claude older version of Chat GPT, which is 3.5 and Dragonfly. Some of them are unlimited and some are limited. In unlimited you can use the old version of GPT and here you can ask several questions to the chatbot. But Chat 4 is limited and you can only ask him 1 question a day. Don't worry. We have a simple solution for that too, but before that let's see using Chat GPT-4, and here you can see that GPT-4 has answered my question and along with that, my daily limit is also over now. If you want to ask more than 1 question from GPT-4, the simple solution is to log into this website with more than 1 account. You can log in separately with your Gmail, Apple ID and phone number, or you can use multiple Gmail or Apple IDs for this purpose. I know it's not a perfect solution, but at least you can try GPT-4 with that. Please keep in mind use different IDs in different web browsers. If you are still not okay with this, then use this second method. Alternatively, you can visit the Microsoft Bing website. Microsoft, which recently invested billions in ChatGPT, has announced that their chatbot is being powered by the latest version of the AI. Of course, you need a Hotmail or Microsoft account to log in here. After login you can feel free to use Chat 4 because Bing Chat is powered by Chat 4. In the third method, you must have Microsoft's Edge web browser. Microsoft has added a new feature to its web browser that allows you to use GPT-4 directly from Edge. Just click on this Bing icon and enjoy Chat 4 with the help of Bing Chat. So friends, you can use Chat GPT-4 for free with the help of these 3 methods. If you want to learn more about AI, then please subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.